Hello everyone. In late July this year, Amazon announced the launching of a new platform in Belgium. A dedicated marketplace site, amazon.com.be, and a logistic hub will soon be set up in Belgium. Great news for both Belgian sellers and consumers. I'm your host Sazzad. Welcome to another e-commerce session of Ecomclips. Today, I will give you all the updates you need to know regarding Amazon Belgium. Before starting, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel Ecomclips and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Amazon has marketplaces in around 21 different countries, but Belgium wasn't on that list till the new announcement. Even though Belgian people are selling on Amazon and buying from Amazon regularly, thanks to their neighboring countries France, Netherlands and Germany. They were able to sell and buy products from Amazon France, Amazon Netherlands and Amazon Germany whenever they want. More than 1,000 small and medium-sized businesses in Belgium are already selling on Amazon. They have set up businesses to sell in one or more of the 21 Amazon stores across the world. But now they can sell from amazon.com.be, a home for Belgian businesses, empowering them to grow their online businesses both in Belgium and abroad. Amazon announced that sellers can register their businesses on sell.amazon.com.be from July 28. The marketplace was supposed to be live in September for buyers, but till today it doesn't come live. However, Amazon already started to establish relationships with carriers operating throughout Belgium. In 2021, Amazon Logistics expanded its partnership with global delivery companies in Belgium. It was an early attempt to meet increasing demand. Also, a further improvement in delivery experience for Belgian customers in the upcoming days. As part of the plan, Amazon is set to open its own logistic hub and delivery station in Antwerp, which is the biggest city in Belgium. Hopefully, it will be done in the fall of 2022. The delivery station will generate 50 permanent jobs for the workforce in the area and will create opportunities for local delivery companies, which will employ approximately 200 additional drivers in the area. Country manager of Amazon Belgium, Eva Fake, said it's very encouraging how Belgians had been a great part of Amazon for many years. She said that Amazon is looking forward to seeing them even more frequently with the launch of amazon.com.be. Amazon Belgium will be a great addition to other countries' sellers also. They can now add another marketplace to their sales channels. If you sell on Amazon globally, you should try Amazon Belgium as your new sales channel. As Amazon Belgium was supposed to be launched in September, I hope it will soon be available to shoppers. Looking forward to that. This is all for today. Feel free to visit our website www.ecomclips.com for any e-commerce assistance. See you in our next session. Till then, have a great time and stay safe. Goodbye.